Inside this condensed milk factory, fresh milk becomes sweet cans and dessert cream through a controlled industrial process. Fresh milk becomes thicker, sweeter, and more stable after blending, evaporation, cooling, filling, and sealing. The process begins with chilled fresh milk collected from dairy farms.
The tanker keeps milk cold during transport to protect quality before processing.
Fresh milk is transported quickly under refrigeration to maintain quality.
At the factory, each tanker first enters the receiving and batch control system. Tanker weighing helps the factory calculate how much fresh milk enters production. Before unloading, a sample is taken to check milk quality.
The lab checks milk quality before the tanker can be unloaded.
Approved milk is connected to the sanitary unloading system.
The milk is pumped from the tanker into the factory through closed sanitary pipes. Inline filtration removes small particles before the milk enters storage. Filtered milk is stored cold in stainless silos before standardization.
The stored milk is checked again before entering the production line.
The milk is gently warmed, so cream separation and standardization work efficiently.
The separator divides milk into cream and lower fat milk streams. Standardization creates a consistent milk base for condensed milk production.
The standardized milk base is held briefly before sugar is added.
Sugar is dissolved in a controlled tank before it joins the milk base.
Standardized milk and sugar solution are blended to form the sweet milk base. The sweet milk blend is checked before concentration begins. Preheating prepares the sweet milk blend for vacuum evaporation. The sweet milk blend enters a vacuum evaporator where water is removed gently.
Under vacuum, water evaporates at lower temperature to protect flavor and color. As water is removed, the milk becomes thicker, creamier, and more concentrated. The concentrated milk is collected in a holding tank before final texture control. Homogenization improves smoothness and helps create a consistent texture.
The condensed milk is cooled carefully to prepare for smooth crystallization control.
Controlled seeding helps prevent coarse sugar crystals and keeps the condensed milk smooth.
Controlled cooling and agitation help the product stay smooth and stable.
The finished condensed milk is checked for thickness, color, sweetness, and smooth texture.
The canning line prepares blank cans before sweet condensed milk filling. Blank cans are cleaned before they receive condensed milk.
Thick condensed milk is filled into cans at a controlled volume.
Correct fill level helps protect product quality and sealing performance. The seamer closes each filled can with a tight double seam. Sealed cans are inspected for weight, closure quality, and can condition.
Some canned dairy products receive controlled heat treatment after sealing.
After heat treatment, cans are cooled before final inspection. Surface water is removed before cans move to packing.
Final inspection confirms that each condensed milk can is sealed and ready for packing.
A sideline uses dairy base to create sweet dessert cream products.
The dessert cream base is blended for sweetness, texture, and smoothness. Homogenization makes the dessert cream smoother and more stable.
Pasteurization prepares the dessert cream for hygienic filling.
Blank dessert cups are prepared and aligned before filling. Dessert cream is filled into cups using controlled filling nozzles.
The filled cups are sealed to protect the dessert cream.
Cooling stabilizes the sealed dessert cream before inspection.
Each dessert cream cup is inspected before carton packing.
Approved condensed milk cans are packed into cartons for warehouse handling.
Dessert cream cups are packed into cartons for storage and distribution.
Filled cartons are sealed before palletizing and warehouse storage.
Carton check weighing confirms that every case contains the correct product quantity.
Sealed cartons are stacked into stable pallets for warehouse movement.
Stretch wrapping keeps the dairy product carton stable during transport.
Finished dairy products are stored in organized warehouse zones before distribution.
Inventory tracking connects finished products back to each milk batch. Finished condensed milk and dessert cream leave the factory through an organized loading dock. After processing, inspection, and packing, the finished dairy products are ready for distribution.
Dairy processing depends on closed equipment and strict cleaning between production runs.
Receiving hoses and fittings are cleaned after every milk unloading.
The evaporator must be cleaned because concentrated milk can build up on surfaces. Filling nozzles are cleaned carefully to protect product safety and quality. The first part of the process protects fresh milk from farm collection to factory receiving. The milk is filtered, warmed, separated, and standardized before sugar blending. Sugar is dissolved and blended with the milk before the mixture enters evaporation. Vacuum evaporation removes water and turns sweet milk into a thicker concentrate. Homogenization and crystallization control help the condensed milk stay smooth. The canning line fills, seals, treats, cools, and inspects sweet condensed milk cans.
A sideline turns dairy base into sweet dessert cream cups.
Finished dairy products are packed, palletized, stored, and prepared for distribution. Good condensed milk begins with clean, high-quality fresh milk.
Before concentration, the milk is sweetened and blended into a uniform base.
The finished condensed milk is thick, smooth, sweet, and creamy.
each can must be filled cleanly before it is sealed.
The sealed can protects the condensed milk during storage and transport. Dessert cream uses a sweet dairy base to create a smooth, spoonable product.
Final product family shows how fresh milk becomes sweet cans and dessert cream.
Each machine has a clear purpose, from milk standardization to filling and packing. Dairy factories rely on clean uniforms, closed systems, and careful sanitation. Factory discipline keeps raw milk, sweet concentrate, finished cans, and packed cartons in the right zones.
The first transformation prepares fresh milk by filtering, standardizing, and sweetening it.
The second transformation removes water and makes the milk thick and concentrated.
Third transformation fills, seals, treats, cools, inspects, and packs the condensed milk cans.
The dessert cream line blends, fills, seals, cools, inspects, and packs sweet dairy cups.
Quality control checks milk, concentrate, finished product, and packaging before release.
Fresh milk quality must be verified before the factory begins processing.
Viscosity testing confirms the condensed milk has the correct thick texture.
Seam inspection confirms the can is properly sealed.
Seal inspection protects the dessert cream during storage and transport.
Final package inspection protects quality before cartons enter the warehouse. Sweetened condensed milk is the result of standardization, sugar blending, evaporation, cooling, and sealing. Dessert cream uses the dairy base to create a smooth, sweet product in sealed cups. Warehouse shows how fresh milk becomes finished dairy products ready for market.
The loading dock connects the finished condensed milk products to the supply chain. Is the full journey from fresh milk to sweet canned condensed milk and dessert cream. Every product follows a clear path: receive, test, standardize, sweeten, evaporate, fill, seal, inspect, and pack. A key step is evaporation, where water is removed to create thick condensed milk.
Controlled crystallization helps the condensed milk stay smooth instead of grainy.
A strong can seam protects the product during storage and shipping. Dessert cream uses similar dairy handling, but a different filling and packaging line.
Closed pipes, clean tanks, and sanitation protect dairy products at every stage.
The final comparison shows how fresh milk becomes sweet cans and dessert cream. As water is removed, the milk becomes thicker, sweeter, and more concentrated. Canning turns smooth condensed milk into a stable finished product. The dessert cream line creates a second sweet dairy product from the same factory system.
A strong condensed milk factory keeps every step controlled, clean, and easy to follow.
A good factory process makes every transformation clear, from fresh milk to finished dairy product. From fresh milk to sweetened concentrate, can filling, dessert cream, and carton packing, this is the full condensed milk factory process.
Fresh milk is the foundation of every product in this factory.
The sweet concentrate is created by removing water while protecting texture and flavor.
The finished can is compact, sealed,
and ready for storage.
The dessert cream line adds another sweet dairy product from the same milk system. Warehouse shows how fresh milk becomes shelf-ready dairy products. After warehouse control, products move towards stores, bakeries, kitchens, and food manufacturers. This is how fresh milk becomes sweetened condensed milk cans and dessert cream through real factory steps. The key steps are testing, standardization, sugar blending, evaporation, texture control, filling, sealing, and packing.
From milk tanker to sweet cans and dessert cups, every stage depends on clean equipment and precise control.
Thank you for watching Mega Processing Tech. Subscribe, like, share, and comment what factory we should explore next.